Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful styling and ideas, crochet handbags and crocheting handbags allows for endless creativity. Here are some ideas and varieties you can explore, and it's stylish and add French at the bottom. For a bohemian look, use earthy tones and textured stitches. So design a lightweight and match style bag for carrying and grocery, a beach, different styles and eco friendly. Colorful granny square bag. Use granny square to make a colorful and eye-catching handbags. Mix and match colors for a playful effect and styles. Experiment with the strips of different widths and colors. Create a visually appealing design and styles. The unique stitch pattern resemble styles and like flower, decorative and textured looks to your bags. So I hope you like it, styles and ideas. Remember to choose the different yarn and hook size for the type of bag you want to create, and do not hesitate to experiment with various stitches and colors combination to make your crochet handbag truly unique. Happy crocheting. So I hope you like my videos, guys. Please press the bell icon and keep sharing and watching my video, and mention me comment section for yours.